What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Slick Eddie here, and I am in a tight situation. Hellmo.
I'm Nikki. I'm coming to kiss. What?
We're gonna add that out. Anyway, Hellmo is back.
A few moments later.
We're gonna add that out. Hellmo has returned. Okay, I'm in a tight space. Uh-oh. I don't know where they're at. They could be anywhere.
Run.
Get out of me! No, shut up! You wild animal.
Hi. He went the other way.
Get out of me.
He's on the bridge.
I'm stuck.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm not stuck anymore.
Take that, Hellmo. Like my thing.
I'm your team.
What the fuck? Man, you go get him.
No, I'm trying to get you.
Get out of me.
Careful.
Maybe you should get out of me.
No.
Ow, let go of my leg.
He's on the bridge again.
Wow, you tried throwing that gold sword at me?
Yeah.
I suck at knife throwing.
Seriously?
I broke a diamond sword.
Yeah, get him!
I broke the diamond sword with my own bare hands. Comment now to pay respect for my $22.
You're also used your legs! Are you kidding me? Come here. Come here.
Ow, my balls!
I got your balls.
Elmo!
Ew.
Balls.
Elmo, you're gross!
You suck.
Seriously, Elmo?
Wah!
Oh
Oh, hell no. Rape! Shut the fuck up.
no! Seriously?
Why did you say that?
Seriously, Elmo? Seriously, that's you!
Man. Oh!
No!
Get him, Elmo!
You know what? Hey, don't make me go gorilla.
Get him!
Oh no! He has a diamond sword for a pee-pee hole. I got a gold sword myself. Get the thing out of your crotch, boy.
How dare you?
How dare you?
How did I miss?
Wow. I suck.
I know you do.
I said I swallow.
Oh, come on. Stop following me, you two.
Never!
Ow, my balls.
What the F?
Oh, my ball. My ball.
I got a big ball.
Yeah. God damn.
I got a ball now. Big ball, bitch. I'm gonna blow Hellmo up.
Ah, man.
Big ball time, bitch.
Try it. One bitch. Shit! I know! You want to see my balls!
I know I hit your balls.
Can I put my balls in your jaw? Ow, my face! Can I put my balls in your jaw?
No. No, you can't.
Can I? Oh shit!
Ew, you love me.
Can I put my balls in your jaw? Oh, ow, my nuts! Ow, no,
Got him now, boy. Hey, look, a bigger ball.
Oh my god, no!
Your bigger balls, bitch.
It's on the tail. It's too horny.
Hellmo in a nutshell. Oh, come on, Scott.
Hellmo.
Shut up.
Hellmo, motherfucker. Oh, yeah!
Help!
Holy shit.
You just said it on camera.
You still miss. Wow.
Shut the F up.
Ooh, what is this?
Oh, shit! Ow!
Oh, don't do that. That's pure plastic. Please don't. That's gonna
Please
wax
don't.
your boy.
No.